project off the line like a rocket, eh? Okay.
You should tell them because I'll be winning first.
Okay, we're going again. Get out low, good slide, got it. 3-0. 3-0.
I've been winning my whole life, mate. That's all I know.
We go again.
Yeah, now the boys pretty competitive. Whoever wins gets bragging rights during lunchtime, so. Yeah, I'm real competitive. I still do this last one, I'm gonna win.
Good.
Yeah, here we guys, coming first. From yours truly, Ngani.
For me, I definitely want to be the best 12 in the world. I just want to be the best player that I can be for myself and also for my teammates. I wouldn't be sitting here or training hard just to be a part of the team. My goals are a lot bigger than that. You know, for me, trying to be the best 12 in the world, I know that I have to keep working hard to get to where I want to be.
Yeah, I'll put those in the oven as well.
Got some sausages and some lamb for dinner tonight. Slowly getting better on the barbie, but still got a lot to learn. So, but the kids seem to love it, so must be doing something right, eh? Hopefully they don't come out burnt.
For me, you know, if we don't have this COVID pandemic and stuff, I would be traveling a lot. So, spending time with my kids and my partner, having a barbecue and just enjoying company.
Hey.
Every moment that I get to spend with my boys, I cherish the most.
Yes, you. Slam dunk. Up. Go again. Nice. Good boy. Hey, bro.
Well, what's happening with you, mate? You've been in the press, brother.
Oh, yeah, I know.
It's worth it, brother.
Yeah,
Take it, mate, take it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see what God has for me.
Hey?
We'll see what God has in plan for me.
Yeah, well, that's the key, isn't it, eh?
Mm.
Yeah, well, don't go breaking an arm.
Yeah. How's that lovely wife of yours?
The last time I saw her, she was pretty good.
Yeah.
That was this afternoon.
Yeah. What's for dinner tonight?
No, I'm going up to a meeting at the moment. We had a big feast. We had Macca's. Took the grandkids out for Macca's.
Well, that's the one, eh?
Yeah, mate. Well, you got the Sky Crew. Goodness gracious, I'm interfering.
Nah, you're good.
Okay, mate.
See you, mate. Hey, it's always good to talk to you, Jim.
Take care, mate.
Have a good day.
Bless you, brother.
Yeah, chuck these in the oven, just in case.
Come on. Oh.
Mavis is a big part in my success over the last couple of years. So I have so much admiration for my partner because she always puts the kids first and myself before her.
Go sit over there. No, I'll grab a cup for you. I'm just going to cut baby up some sausage.
For me, I'm truly grateful to have such a beautiful woman that's holding the family behind the scenes that people don't see.
Amen, thank you.
Good boy, Daniel.
Amen. Hang on, baby.
Yummy, Baba.
Ngani's an awesome dad. I think with rugby, like, it's just so busy. It's so full on. See, I'm talking. It's so full on. that it's awesome to see him take like quite an active role in our kids' lives. So, you know, whether or not it's, you know, I work, so him taking the time to drop the kids off or pick them up from school really helps. The boys love it when he's home, and it's been kind of cool just having a New Zealand comp because, you know, he's been home a lot more often. Yeah. Yeah, have your drink.
I have to put on my mouth.
Yeah, tell Mum. Oh, gosh. Okay, thank you.
We've got a lot of devoted Hurricane supporters here today. They're the most loyal, they're the most passionate in the competition. What does that support mean to you guys? How does that help you guys out when you're on the field?
Yeah, massive.
Billy Proctor. Thanks. Zoom up on us.
It means a lot, and especially the people in this room, our members that come in, week out, regardless of results, regardless of the weather or anything, bringing your kids and your families. It means a lot to the boys, and I can't thank you guys enough for being here. And yeah, just wanna, it's awesome to see the kids here too, so the support means a lot.
Hey, how's the family?
Yeah.
Yeah? Always good to see you, man.
Yeah.
Take care, eh? What's up, everyone? You guys supporting the Blues?
No.
What's going on? This your hat? It's a cool hat, man. When'd you get it?
Here we go.
Out of my sister's wardrobe.
Pardon?
Stolen it from a sister.
Oh, yeah?
That's the one.
That's the one. Hey, sharing's carry, man. So, brother! What club do you play for?
Yeah, I signed it for you.
Oh, good luck this season, man. Oh, you can't have a shower now, bro. Morning, team. Food looks good.
On game day for me is in the morning I just get up and have breakfast and just connecting with my boys.
There's Blackwell's feeling expressive, guys.
All I do is just relax and not think about rugby because, you know, when you think about rugby too much, you end up burning energy, and for me, it's just trying to relax as much as I can.